We are here at Bridge Downstate for the launch of the all-new Mitsubishi Triton. It's the brand's rally-tested and rally-bred mid-size pickup truck that everyone's been talking about, and that we'll see what all the fuss is all about. As you can see, what we have right here in the back is a replica of the Rally Art Mitsubishi Triton that's won a lot of the awards in past rallies the past year. So let's go ahead and take a look inside and see what's what. Here at the launch, we'll be experiencing this one right here. You can test out some of the units. This is the Mitsubishi Triton's natural habitat. As you can see, we've got all this mini off-road codes that we got here inside, and it's just full of excitement, and I'm sure that the Mitsubishi Triton can handle all of this.
So much for being here. Happy Friday, everybody! The all-new Mitsubishi Triton!
So you got two engine options for the all-new Mitsubishi Triton, but what excites me the most is the new 2.4-liter two-stage turbo diesel engine that makes, get this, north of 200 horsepower and 470 Newton-meters of torque. You got a 6-speed automatic transmission with that, and it's mated to Mitsubishi's Super Select all-wheel drive system that gives you 7 different drive modes. It controls the 4-wheel drive system of the Mitsubishi Triton and can get you through any obstacle. No wonder this won a lot of rally races. Right, so of course we get an opportunity to ride along with legendary rally racer Hideyoshi Matsuoka around the track, around this makeshift track right here, and we're gonna try our best to keep, you know, the food we had right where it's supposed to be, not on the floor. So here we go.
Dude, I never even imagined a pickup truck could move like that. He's a man.
that last part there.
So, Oh, buhay pa kayo?
Yes! Bitin,
Wala.
bitin, bitin!
Yung last part, grabe yun. Basic lang, basic. Basic. Basic sa kanya.
Grabe! Nice! Ang galing!
So that's all the fun and excitement we had today at the launch of the new Mitsubishi Triton. See all the prices down below. And make sure to visit Zigwheels Philippines YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, we're everywhere. So make sure that you can head over to Zigwheels.Ph as well to make sure to get the best prices for the Mitsubishi Triton. I'll see you guys next time.